Let's talk about how to be the apple of one's eye to supersize and grow your business. Honeycrisp apples, my personal favorite. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here for Supersize Your Business. And our idiom, our expression today is apple of one's eye, to be the apple of someone's eye. This expression dates back to the Bible. It actually shows up in 4 different books of the Bible. I can't pronounce it. Something like this. Psalms, Proverbs, and Lamentations. All right, obviously not a Bible whiz here. So it's an expression that's been around for thousands of years. And it, of course, means to be a very special or favorite, beloved person or thing. You can have a horse might be the apple of your eye, or a favorite pet, or a favorite person, or a favorite subject, or a favorite thing might be at the apple of your eye. You might say it's the apple of your eye. My kids are the apple of my eye. My kids and my grandkids are the thing I adore most of all. I also very much like Honeycrisp apples and caramels, anything with caramel, right? So today, think about how can you be the favorite #1 choice, the go-to business for the people that you serve, for the people that you want to serve. How can you be the apple of the eye of the people that are a part of your organization to help you build and grow and supersize that business? How can you be their favorite? How can you enlist them in your vision for your organization, for your business that you're growing, so that they want to be a part of it, so they want to contribute their best efforts, they want to make it a passion of theirs, just like it's a passion of yours. And I guess my biggest question today is, as you're building and growing and building your business, what is one thing that you're most proud of? What are you most proud of? What is the apple of your eye about your business? For me, each business, it's been different. I've been involved in, dozens, literally dozens and dozens of different businesses throughout my life, throughout my career. And I find in anyone I interact with now, in their business, something that just really appeals to me, something that I'm attracted to, something that is the apple of my eye, my favorite thing about their business. So what is, share in the comments below. I'd love to see a list of these things. What are you most proud of? What is the thing about your business that is the apple of your eye? Because if you build on that and supersize that, people will be attracted to that too and come and flock to your business. All right. Have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another mental well-being related idiom. I guess, I don't know, the apple of our eye is our belief, our thought, right? And so that's how it ties into the mental well-being idioms. We only have a couple more days of mental well-being idioms. Then we're going to switch to spiritual well-being idioms to coincide with the annual challenge this year. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Bye.